In this class, we are going to familiarize browser developer console and we will write our first JavaScript code. Okay, I have opened up a browser page here. Here a simple hello world is written. So to open up browser developer console, first of all, a developer console is something which is embedded in a browser which helps us to debug and write code more efficiently. We can use this developer console's help to create applications. We can debug the page within that browser and we can write codes. So that is developer console. I will show you how to open up that developer console. So here from this more tools, I took developer console. Then a developer console will appear. It has many details. It can show details about your HTML code and it highlights contents displayed in this page. You can also use this tool to select elements. If you select this particular element and that particular code will be highlighted. That is one portion, and it has several things. In the network section, you can view different files which are get loaded while this page is loading. Here there are no script files or images, that's why it's empty. And it shows several details like performance, memory usage, and security. Okay, so that is developer console. And the right side also shows different styles to apply to different elements. For example, this H1. So this is a user agent style sheet. That means the browser applies its own style. So these are the styles displayed here. If we add our style, it will also get displayed at this session. So our focus is for writing JavaScript code, we will take this console and I will write our first code. That is, I will type something like this: alert hello world. Okay, when I press enter, this hello world message is prompted. So that is an alert. Alert is a method available in JavaScript which shows a prompted message. So it is displayed as this. Remember one thing, JavaScript is case sensitive. So this all small letter alert will work, but this will result in an error. Let's check it. What happens when I type this? Okay, so there is a uncaught reference error. So alert is not defined. So JavaScript is case sensitive. And I will also type one more thing, that is console.log. So console.log hello world. So let's check what happens now. Okay, you can see here that message hello world, which we have written here, is displayed itself in the console. So that's what happens with console.log. We can use this console.log for debugging purpose, so that nothing will be displayed on the user end. It will only be displayed in the browser console. So that is console.log. So this is our first JavaScript code. So we have discussed alert and console.log and how to use developer console. In the next video, we will go into much deeper things of JavaScript.